At what you see here, there are a lot of packets that Wireshark captures in seconds. There are some requests and responses for them, broadcasts and their replies, and etc., etc. There is an easier way to follow a stream, although this is very entertaining. The stream is a collection of packets that form a network conversation from the beginning to the end, just like your favorite story. So I'm in Kali now, and I captured the traffic just for a little bit. And while I was capturing, I visited a website to create some HTTP traffic. And here are the results: DNS packets, TCP packets, HTTP packets, etc. So I'll select an HTTP packet, and it's the GET request. Right-click, go to Follow in the submenu, and here you see the TCP stream and the HTTP stream options are both enabled. So that means we can follow either the TCP stream or the HTTP stream. So let's click HTTP stream. Now the client packets are red and the server packets are blue. The GET request by Kali, 200 OK response by OWAN. Now this is a return page in HTML format. So you can scroll down and we'll see some of the other requests and responses in the same stream. And perhaps you're beginning to see that when you click on a link in a website or visit a website by typing its URL, there might be several consecutive requests and responses that you don't even realize. But in actuality, you don't need to know them as the end user, but we're not your typical end users now, are we? So, let's keep going. From the combo box at the left-hand side of the bottom of the stream window, you can filter the conversation from one side to another or vice versa. So, at the right-hand side, there is another combo box where you can select the output format. Now when you close the stream window and go back to the main window of Wireshark, you can see that the stream filter is applied right here. So I'll remove the filter by clicking this cross icon. Now I see the entire captured traffic again. That is why filters exist.